Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Fatou and today we are making seafood boil. So I have a pan of crawfish and mussels, also 2 pounds of shrimps and 3 pounds of snow crab legs. Now in this dish, the spices that you used are everything. You can of course use your own, but these are the ones that I used. So this is onion powder and I'm using a tablespoon serving here. And then we have garlic powder. Then I have the Old Bay seasoning. Then I have onion powder. And then we have the Pollo seasoning. You can use this to taste, but in this case I believe I used about 5 tablespoons. While I was prepping the seasoning, I put some water to boil, and then now I'm going to be adding my corn, my potatoes, and I'm going to also be adding eggs. But the vegetables that you use are totally optional. You can add more if you would like. And then I'm gonna add all those seasoning, mix it all in, and add a bar of unsalted butter and let it cook until it's ready. Now we're gonna cut some onion very fine. You can cut it as small as you can so that it easily melts into your sauce. Now I love garlic, so this is a lot of garlic, so use it to taste. I used about 3 cloves of garlic in this recipe. So crush it or blend it however you see it fit, as long as it's fine. So we're gonna repeat all those spices that you used the first time, and then this time we're going to add lemon pepper and Cajun seasoning. To work on the sauce, we're going to add 2 sticks of butter to the pot. Let that melt and add the garlic and the onions. Let it fry until it's almost translucent, but don't let it burn. So now we're going to add our seasoning blend. Now for extra spice, I added some African pepper. This is dried pepper that we use in Africa, but this is really spicy and this is totally optional. But we like spicy food, so I opted for that. And then I added some hot sauce. And then you add water. I added 2 cups of water. Actually ended up adding 1 more cup of water later. Let that simmer on low to medium heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. I like to cook it for a very long time so the spices are really nicely cooked and all the onions are melted. Then you're going to remove your vegetables when they're ready and add them to a pan that you're going to be able to put in the oven. So then to the same sauce you're going to add your seafood. So I added the crawfish, and then I'm going to add the shrimp and the mussels and let it cook for about 5 minutes. You don't want to overcook your seafood because there's nothing worse than overcooked seafood. Once that's done, I'm going to remove them and add them to the same pan where I put the vegetables. So now we're going to add the snow crab legs. So you could either add water at this point if you don't have enough to cover your snow crab leg so it could boil with the flavors, but I'd rather do it gradually so that I'm not diminishing my flavors because I love flavors. And then we're gonna let that boil also for about 5 minutes. When that's done, you're gonna remove it and put it on top of the rest of the seafood. And then I'm gonna add 3 lemon to that. You can use lemon juice, but I prefer to use fresh ingredients, so I use real lemon. And now you're ready to add your sauce. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my God. This food was so good. Just looking at it right now, I just want to go back and dive in. So now you're gonna cover it to keep all the moisture in, and you're gonna pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes at 325. Food is ready. We just sat on the floor and ate it right from the pan, and it was so good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope you're gonna try it. If you do, please let me know in the comments, and please like, subscribe, and share this video. I will be posting new content every Sunday, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye.